Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack is outside. He's not with me right now, but I'm sure you will see him at one point in the video. Today we are going to be doing another DIY Halloween video, and I know I have been slacking on DIY videos and Halloween videos, really. This is going to be my second and only Halloween video. Very disappointing, but things have just been busy right now and kind of crazy, so just haven't had a lot of time to actually take the time to do a DIY video because they take forever. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an Alvin costume from Alvin and the Chipmunks. And I kind of just found this stuff randomly at Goodwill. I got very lucky. So this whole look will be $15 and under. Actually, you could say let's say $20 and under just to be safe. So you can make an Alvin costume for 20 bucks, which I guess is pretty cheap considering how expensive costumes really are. So for this tutorial, you will need a red hat. You will need yellow felt or a non-fray material, and probably about a yard of the yellow fleece or felt. And you will need a giant red dress, hoodie, shirt, whatever you want to do. The cool thing with DIYs is you can do it your own way. The only thing I'm worried about is this hat. I'm hoping that the A is going to cover this up, so that'll be interesting to see. If not, we'll just have to work with it and see what I can do. Let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you guys how to make this super easy DIY costume. The first thing I'm doing is tracing out the giant A for the front of this costume. The next thing I'm doing is I'm just cutting out where I traced it, and as you can tell, this was kind of a struggle for me because I am just not good at cutting out letters and numbers, so I had to really perfect this several times. Alright, so the next thing I'm doing is the little A for the hat, and this took some time as well, and I just used the center of the big A to make the smaller A, and I really had to work my way around this because I had to cover up this logo on the hat, so I ended up making two separate pieces, and it worked out so great. Alright you guys, it is time to glue everything together. I'm putting the A on the hat and the shirt, and I'm using Fabric Fusion fabric glue, and that is from Joann.